Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Kali Linux on VMware. All right, as you can see here, I have my VMware workstation opened. And what we're going to do next is open up our favorite browser. And then we're going to want to type in kali.org. And once that's done, just hit on enter and wait for the website to load. Now, once it loads, you can see here, there's an orange button right here that says download. Just go ahead and click on it. Now in here, just go ahead and choose virtual machines. All right, click on it. Now go ahead and select VMware right here. All right, and there will be a download button right here. Just got to click on it and wait for the download page to pop up. As you can see here, I'm just going to start the download and wait for it to finish. Yours might be different. You'll be able to see your download right here if you don't have IDM. All right, just wait for it. As you can see here, it's done. So we're going to open up the folder. There you go. As you can see, it is on a zip file. I'm going to move it to my desktop so you can see it easily. Right here, I'm going to right click on it and go ahead and use WinRAR. Right here, I'm just going to go ahead and extract the files on my desktop as well. I'm going to make a new folder, Kali Linux, hit OK, and just wait for the process to finish. It's done. There we have it. So what we're going to do next is just basically open up a virtual machine. We don't want to click on create a new virtual machine, all right? As this one is already pre-made. I'm going to hit on open a virtual machine. Right here, I'm going to go ahead over to my desktop, locate the new folder, which is Kali Linux, double click on it, double click on the folder again. And there we have the Kali Linux 2024 VMware AMD64. I'm going to hit on open and just wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here, there we have our virtual machine. So in order to use it, we're just going to want to click on the play button right here at the top. Click on it, hit OK. There'll be some prompts. It's preparing. Almost done. And there you have it. I'm going to maximize this one. Now, what we're going to type in the username and password is basically Kali, as this is the default username, and Kali for the default password. All right, just hit on login. And there we have our Kali Linux OS. All right, when we right click on it, as you can see, we'll be able to change the desktop settings right here, the background. I'm just going to leave it as is, as it's good. All right, there you go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.